Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today we will be cooking dark ginger peas. And here we go, we prepare already on the ingredients. We put in a bowl 180 milliliters of water, 1.5 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and we stir it well. And set aside. Now we will do easy seasoning in the fish. I have with me over here 500 grams of fish fillet. We can just use tuna, mackerel, salmon, grouper or any kind of fish that not too much bone. So we do not cut too tinely to prevent too dry and frying. For the seasoning, very simple. Dash of pepper, a half teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of water. Then gently, we mix them up first. I'm using my hand because of it too much easier. Once you mix up well, we will add 1.5 tablespoon of cornflour. This will protect the protein when we deep fry. Mix them well. Alright, once we're done with this, we will proceed to deep fry them. Heat up a wok of cooking oil over medium heat. We're gonna cook the fish until golden brown. Once we finish frying, remove most of the oil, leaving some behind, like this. Then we put in julienned ginger cut, red onion, green onion, the white part, chopped garlic, and then we stir it well. Next we put in the mixture of the ingredients. Then we stir it well. Keep stirring it until boiling. We put the fried fish, the green onion, and then we stir it well. Now we're taking the sauce of some cornstarch solution to connect the consistency that you want. Well, that's all done. And time for dinner. And here we go, the ginger dark fish is already done, ready to be served. Alright ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.